How to monetize TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to monetize your TikTok account. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your account. After you open TikTok, you will get this type of interface. From your at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines, just at the top right. And from here, you'll have to tap on TikTok Studio. After you come on the TikTok Studio, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Monetization. From here, tap on the option Get Inspired. And from here, to monetize your account, make sure that you are 18 or older than that and you have at least 10,000 followers on your TikTok account and you are getting much more views on your last 30 days videos. After you confirm it, you can simply tap on the option Apply if you get it from here. After you tap on that Apply, you can explore TikTok live gifts, brand deals on the creator marketplace for more monetization option. And that's it. Your monetization setup will ready from your account after you complete or meet the basic requirements. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.